Okay, we're gonna try to get our act together today. So first up, okay, it's fine, it's fine. I just popped my kneecap out of place, but it's fine. Okay, that hurt. Anyways. Anyways, we are trying to get our lives together today. So first up, changing these sheets. I'm gonna toss them into the wash. I'm gonna wash our duvet, just get everything all nice and clean. Matt is away for a couple of days, so I thought it would be really nice if he came home to some clean sheets. This is what happens when I try to get some content created. So we have this, some cowgirl boots, some clothes on the bathroom floor, our fan, a ladder, my makeup, I don't know why those socks are there, and then the closet as well. So, safe to say, we have some cleaning up to do. Also, I have clothes that dried probably 2 days ago, still hanging up, so let's get her done. And I'm trying to still get my life together, get some stuff done. So this morning I meal planned, went to the grocery store, and then I just got back and I'm trying to sort through this mess. So these are clothes that I either want to post on Poshmark or I want to donate them, but I found this really cool company. This is obviously not sponsored or anything, but I found this cool company that they like upcycle your clothes. So they use the materials and like make new clothes, and they're called 4 Days. So you pretty much, you pay to have a bag sent to you, but then the credit that you, so like the amount of, okay, so how this works is you pay to have a bag sent to you, however many you want. I think I got 4 and they're like $20-ish each. But then that money you can spend on their site and get new clothes. So it's really cool because it kind of like incentivizes you to get rid of more, because then you can get more back, if you know what I mean. And also they do this really cool thing where you donate a certain, they'll like donate to a certain cause. So there's like ones for like wildlife, the coral reef, like just ocean, whatever. And I did one where they give IUDs to young girls in Texas who otherwise wouldn't have access to them. So I think that's really cool. And yeah, I'm just really into this company. I saw them on an Instagram ad and I was like, ooh, I need to get rid of stuff. So that's what we're doing today. So before I start sorting through all that, I want to make sure that there is nothing else that I want to get rid of. So I'm just gonna kind of do like a quick sweep through my closet, see if there's anything that I haven't worn, don't picture myself wearing, etc. I feel like this is cute, but I haven't worn it since my cousin's wedding like a year or two ago, and I don't really see myself wearing it anytime soon because I don't have that kind of occasion. So I think she's gonna go. Put all of these clothes into whatever bags I could find and shoved them in my closet because I didn't want to deal with them. So we're gonna empty these out and then sort it into whether I want to send it to 4 days or put it on Poshmark. Clearly, we have our work cut out for us with this one. Just got back from the gym. Clearly, I'm a red tomato. Felt good to work out. I didn't really want to because I never really want to. It's very rare that I'm like, yeah, let's do it. Once I get there though, it always feels good. I never regret going to the gym. But I was gonna just do like a 20-minute workout, and instead I pushed myself to do 3:30. It is harder than it looks. I am drenched in sweat, but I feel like I got a good workout in. So now I'm gonna take a nice shower and just fix all this. Okay, just got out of the shower. Post-gym showers, so good. You just feel so clean afterwards. I exfoliated, I shaved, shampoo, condition, feeling good. Now I put on a face mask. It's the, what did I get? The rose face mask. So it has real rose petals and soothes in tones. It's from Fresh. I really like them. I like this face mask too. So maybe I'll get it in something bigger because this one is almost out, but this is what it looks like. It doesn't look that appealing. It kind of just looks like, I don't know, like gooey maple syrup maybe, but it does help soothe my skin, and it's just like a nice light mask. I just leave for like 5 to 10 minutes, wash it off, and then I'm going to moisturize and change because I want to do a few more chores and like admin type things before I have to go pick up Matt from the airport. Okay, so I packed up 2 full bags for 4 days. It's kind of heavy actually. So what you do is you scan the barcode and then you send this off, and then you get to buy new clothes. I'm curious as to how the shipping label works though, because there's not one on there, so I gotta figure that out. And then these 2 bags, I'm going to try to do Poshmark, and then if they're up for a bit and I'm getting tired of waiting to sell them, I'll just add them into another 4 days bag because I have 2 more. And then I'm gonna see if Matt wants to either add anything to these bags or if he wants his own 4 days bag as well. Feeling pretty accomplished. I'm always happy, why is this upside down? Always happy to be getting rid of some clothes, knowing that they are either going to be loved by somebody else or now that they're gonna be upcycled into a brand new piece of clothing, which is equally as exciting. So doing that, I want to vacuum and straighten up my room and then maybe vacuum the living room as well and have a snack, and then yeah, then I gotta hit the road and go to LA.